Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To raise and support this vehicle, you can put your floor jack right under here on this side of the subframe, or on the other side of the subframe. Jack it up. And there are a couple spots here on the other side of our lift arms. You can put a jack stand under here, this high spot on the seam. Do the same for both sides. You can jack up the front of the car. The rear of the car, I'd use your floor jack here, lift it up, and again, put your jack stands under here on the pinch welds right here where this edge. That's the reinforced part, and the same for both sides.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.